Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We're chilling at home planning our next camping trip, and we're going to do something a little special for Zena. We are going to make her some homemade dog treats today, and then we're going to take them with us camping. We've never done this before, and she is very picky, so I'm intrigued to see what will happen. And I have spent forever looking online for a soft dog treat recipe, and finally I landed on one on the blog named Flora Vino. Now for this recipe, you only need 3 ingredients. We've got some old-fashioned rolled oats. Now in a little bit, we're gonna pop these into a blender and make some oat flour. And the second ingredient is bananas. We're gonna mush these together and they're gonna hold the whole treat together. And now the last ingredient is natural peanut butter. That's at the store though, so let's get going. Now it's very important that you get plain old peanut butter, no salt and no sugar. It is just better for your dog overall, and personally, if you're eating it for a human too, I think it tastes way better than processed peanut butter. Well, it tastes pretty good to me. Now this is the completed recipe. Now I just have to bake them, but I do want it to be exactly like it was on Flora Vino's blog. So I ordered some bone-shaped cookie cutters just because I want it to look exactly the same. So I'm gonna let this rest in the fridge, and hopefully my cookie cutters will be delivered sometime today, but I'll show you how to bake them in a little bit. The cookie cutters arrived. We've got all of the treats put out onto our tray, and our oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and we just gotta throw these in the oven and let them bake. They look and taste really good, so hopefully Zena will like them. And we've got those in there.
And then our tweets are done. Hey, do you want one of these? These are your tweets. your tweet ingredient. Banana peanut butter tweets.
Now she's the pickiest eater ever. Let's see if she'll eat one.
Do you want this? Do you want it? Ooh, that looks delicious. Eat it. It's delicious. Eat that tweet.
Well, I'm not sure if she's gonna eat one on camera for us. If she doesn't, I'll eat them, and we definitely know other puppies. But thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Definitely bake these little treats for your fur babies and take them camping. And now that I stopped paying attention to her, she's eating it. Have a great day.
You want this? Huh? Yeah? Huh? Do you want it? Come over here. Huh? Do you want it? Come get it. Huh? Good girl. I'm so glad you like your tweets. Good girl, Xena.